Hi guys, welcome back to Food Mood Creations. Today we're making oat flour, and all you need are oats, a blender or food processor, a spoon, two bowls, and a fine mesh sieve. So now I'm adding the oats to my tiny blender, and I'm gonna blend that until it resembles flour. I had to shake the blender a few times to make sure the oats were grinded into a flour. So let's talk health benefits. Oats contain dietary fiber, which can decrease your risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease or type 2 diabetes. They can also lower blood sugar, hypertension, cholesterol levels, as well as stimulate weight loss. If you want to know more about the health benefits of oats, the link is in the description box below. This is what the oat flour came out looking like. I just put that into a fine mesh sieve set over a bowl, and I'm going to use a spoon to push the oat flour through it. You don't have to sieve your oat flour. I just use the sieve to catch all of the oats that weren't grinded up. And I'm going to continue blending the oats until there are no more oats left. On a side note, this week's featured articles are what is stress eating, how do I stop it, and the mind diet. I'm trying to get more into the mood side of things. After all, it is called Food Mood Creations, so the links will be in the description box below. Please go and read them because I have worked really hard on those. So this is the finished product. The reason that I like making oat flour at home is because it's a cheaper alternative. I think the last time I checked, a bag of oat flour was between $7 and $10. I just bought a big container of oats for a little over $8, and I think this entire recipe cost me about $2.47 to make. I do not have an oat flour recipe for you guys this week. I just went to the store yesterday and I didn't have time to film anything because I had contracts to catch up on, but I will have those for you next week. I do use this oat flour in my gluten-free all-purpose flour, and I use that all-purpose flour to make zucchini squash bread. Those links will be in the description box below along with the oat flour recipe. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.